Welcome back. Continuing the news. Concerns this evening about two emerging threats in schools across the island: cigarette vaping and technology addiction. That declaration was made by Dr. Christopher Tufton, the health minister, during his address to teachers in St. James recently. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
It's what Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton calls alarming: the number of young people involved in unhealthy and illicit activities, especially at schools. Among his main concerns, vaping, an emerging trend which is popular in the United States and is now being picked up by students in Jamaica.
The days of cigarette smoking that many of our people are guilty of at some point in time, whether because they're trying it or otherwise, has now given way to a new technology called vaping. That little device that can be hidden and look like a toy or a pencil or a pen. We've seen a lot of it coming up now.
Vaping is the use of small pen-like devices known as e-cigarettes to inhale and exhale flavored nicotine.
Students are actually buying it and using it. And of course, it's hard to detect because of the flavors and so on. And that's something we need to look at. But I give you those two examples to say we're moving in a direction where we have to be always vigilant. And in public health, we say let's partner together in that respect.
According to Dr. Tufton, not only is this new technology creating problems in schools, but so too are other devices like smartphones.
Because the smartphone, the laptops, occupies their minds in a way that makes them only want to snack on sugary and salted snacks and sit for hours on end because they're engaged, they're entertained, and indeed, in some instances, they are addicted to the technology.
He pointed out that some of these lifestyle choices are leading to problems like obesity and hypertension in young people, which is why he indicated that the government is closely monitoring these behavioral changes and will work towards finding a solution in the coming months. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.